Hey everyone, happy Self-Love Sunday. So let's talk about self-worth. What does that really mean? Well, self-worth is knowing your own worthiness, knowing your own enoughness. And we can kind of get hung up on that because we may seek validation from others about our own worthiness. Maybe we want validation for our worthiness when actually that worthiness is already built right in. We have been born with this worthiness, but for some reason we've been taught or programmed to believe that we are only worthy if someone deems us so, or if we do certain tasks or achieve certain things, then we are considered worthy. But you are already worthy. You don't need anybody else's validation on that. You don't need to achieve a certain thing to feel worthy. So in this life, when you are doing things or you have a passion for something, or maybe you want to move forward with a dream, you don't have to wait for something to happen, for someone to say that you are worthy enough or you are enough to do that thing, to move into that passion or dream or whatever it is that you want or desire. You already have that built in. So if you are looking for more guidance on your worthiness, on discovering your own worthiness, then check out my new online on-demand workshop at the link in the bio or the link below. So I hope this helped you, and I will see you next time.